So today we're going to talk about mixing and applying the product. Now we've already measured our crepe myrtle here and determined how much we need by reading and following the label directions on here. For this particular crepe myrtle, this tree needs 2 ounces of this product, and we're using the 21.4% concentrate. So we're going to measure 2 ounces of this imidacloprid, the product to treat for the crepe myrtle bark scale. Wearing your proper safety protection. Again, the label will give you all that information. So there's our 2 ounces. Again, according to label directions, it says mix that in 10 gallons of water to apply to the crepe myrtle. So we're going to do that. We're going to divide it, the 2 ounces between the 2 buckets, so 1 ounce in each one. Before we do that, you want to be sure and put some water in your container first. Putting water in each bucket first so the insecticide doesn't stick to the bottom of the container. And then we're going to pour half of the product in this container while running the water to help agitate it. And just agitating it with the water itself to make it thoroughly mixed so we have a uniform solution. And then we'll do the same for the other 5 gallons. So we've already measured the tree and determined how much product we need. We've mixed the product, and now we want to prep the ground before adding the insecticide to the plant. And so we're just going to pull the mulch back or away from the tree, and you can see I've done that already on most of it. But you want to pull the mulch back because you want the product, the insecticide, to make contact with the soil and then absorbed by the roots. And if you've got a good layer of mulch, the mulch can bind up the product. So just pull it back away from the trunk, and then once you've applied the product, and it's dried, you can rake the mulch back into place. So Richard's going to demonstrate putting the product around the tree. Again, we've got 10 gallons that we've mixed up, and according to label directions and according to the size of the tree. So you want to do it slowly so it doesn't run off. Again, you're wanting the product to reach the roots and be absorbed by the plant, taking it up in its system and taking care of the pest, the crepe myrtle bark scale that we're trying to eliminate. As you can see by applying a soil drench that we've just done around this crepe myrtle, it's a relatively safe and easy method of putting on a pesticide to control the crepe myrtle bark scale. Always read and follow label directions and follow those safety guidelines that you'll find on that label.